This is a 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport, and in this video we're going to replace the cabin air filter. The air filter is located way back up in there, and to get to it we need to remove this panel. It's held in by 3 clips. There's 1, 2, and 3 clips. And this is what the clip looks like. When you're looking at it from below, it's going to look like that, and this is what it looks like on the side. You can see that, there you go. And to get this guy out, it smushes. See how it smushes like that? And to get it to smush, because it's flush, it'll be sitting flush in the panel. To get to it, we'll take a plastic pry bar and attack the big side first. There's a big side and a little side. We're going to attack the big side first. We're going to push the big side towards the little side, and what that's going to do is it's going to pop it kind of out of the hole. And while you're holding the big side kind of out of the hole, you'll come over here to the little side and smush him, and it should just pop right out. With the clips out, we can now reach underneath here and grab this panel. It's just gonna smush back a little bit and then come out. There is a tab on the back. Let me show you there. There's a tab on the back and it goes into that piece. So when you're putting it back, you need to feed that tab into that hole right there. The air filter is located behind that white cover. You can imagine it's going to be kind of difficult when I get my hands in there to film it. So let me take it out and then I'll show you the cover, what it looks like when it's out. Here is the cover that you need to take off. In the car it's sitting like this. And all you need to do is reach over and pull these tabs towards you, just gently, and then the cover will pop off. Pretty easy. There is the air filter, it's exposed. Now I'm going to pull that out, and that's going to be another difficult one to show on camera, so let me pull it out and I'll show you what it looks like. Here is the cabin air filter out of the car, and it has a tab, so you can grab it and then pull it, and it's a bendy, so it'll smush around and get in there or get out of there without too much trouble. Putting the filter back in is pretty straightforward. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy a new one of those guys. The filter is directional, so look and see which direction they want the airflow to go. You want the airflow to come into the cabin. Getting it into that hole is going to be a little bit tricky. It is smushy and bendy for a reason. You're going to need to smush it and bend it and kind of work it into that hole, and then eventually you're just going to keep being gentle with it and smushing it in, and boom, and it'll eventually get in there. Pop that white cover back on there, put that panel, those 3 clips, and then you're done. If you have any questions on how to do this job, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. I hope you found the video useful, and once again, if you're going to buy one of those guys, link in the description where you can pick one of those up. Have a great day.